Good afternoon, class. How are you? I'm glad to hear that. I'm fine too, thank you. You have learned with Miss Safira, right? About factual report text. And Miss Safira has given you the example of factual report text. And now I want you to identify the generic structure, social purpose, and language feature of factual report text that Miss Safira has given to you. And you can use your smartphone to search what is the social purpose, what are the generic structures, and the language features. You may identify the text right now. Have fun! Have you done, class? If you have done, let's identify it together. Okay, here is the example of factual report text that Miss Safira has given to you. So we would like to identify the generic structure. The generic structure of factual report text are general classification and description. So in general classification, it contains general statement of the object, and in the description, it describes the specific part of the object such as the characteristic and the habit. In this text, the general classification is in the first paragraph and the description is in the second, third, and fourth paragraph. Okay, here is social purpose. The social purpose of factual report text is to describe something in general. And then language feature. There are use of general nouns, relating verbs, action verbs, and timeless present tense. Use of general nouns, for example, blue whale, rather than particular nouns such as my blue whale or my dog, my cat. We use the general nouns such as blue whale, dog, and cat. Use of relating verbs to describe features. For example, blue whale is the biggest creature. Some use of action verb when describing behavior. For example, blue whales commonly reach the colossal length of 29 meters. And then use of timeless present tense to indicate unusualness. For example, blue whales and the other ocean giants live their whole life in seawater. Okay, class, I have a special activity for you, which is quiz. We will play quiz in application called Quizzes. So here is the link of the quiz. I have sent this link to your WhatsApp group. You can attempt the quiz right now. Have fun! Have you finished the quiz, class? If you have finished, let's check the answers together. So to check the answer, you click Show Answers and you will see signs colored green and red. For the green one is the correct answer and the red one are the incorrect answer. You can check it by yourself. Okay, the quiz is so easy, right? Yes! So class, I would like to tell you that we are going to have a fun project, which is you make a book of factual report text. So we will have a fun project that are making factual report text and making book. So what you have to do, in pair make a factual report text about engineering that you find in Praktek Kerja Lapangan. So the topic must be different in each group. Next week, present the draft and have a consultation with me. Next week, submit the final result. You submit via Google Drive. I will make the link and send it to your WhatsApp group. And then making book. How to do? Use application called Book Creator. Open the application using web. Log in as teacher. Make the book as creative as possible. Record your voice during reading the book using recording feature on Book Creator. After finish the recording, open the book and play the recording. At the same time, record your computer and then you will have video of you reading the book, and then post your video of you recording the book to the YouTube. The due date is 3 weeks from now. So in the first week you make the draft and consultation, and then second week you submit it, and the third week you submit the book creator. Here is the tutorial of book creator. You can open it. I have sent this link to your WhatsApp group, and you can search for other tutorial in the YouTube. Okay class, if you have any questions related to the assignments, feel free to ask me in the WhatsApp group. I would be so glad if you ask me. Okay, now we are in the end of the class. Thank you so much for your kind attention. See you in the next week.